In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Klaviyo and seamlessly integrate it into your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to collect emails or phone numbers from your website visitors, I've got you covered with a straightforward, step-by-step process. Before diving in, let's ensure you're logged into your Klaviyo account, where the magic begins. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the sidebar and locate the option labeled Sign Up Forms, or simply Forms. This is where you'll start building your form. Click on Create Form or New Form. Now you have the decision to either start from scratch with a blank form or choose a template from Klaviyo's extensive form library. Each form you create will gather the email addresses or phone numbers of your subscribers into a list. Do select which specific list in Klaviyo these new signups will be directed to, as this will be your hub for managing and communicating with your growing audience. Now that you've initiated the form creation, it's time to focus on design. Personalize the appearance and functionality to fit your brand's style and goals. Decide on the form type, whether you want a pop-up, fly-out, embedded form, banner, or even a full-page form. Think about what information you'd like to collect. Are you just going for emails, or would you like to capture names or phone numbers as well? If you plan on collecting SMS information, remember to comply with the appropriate disclosure rules to respect privacy and legal requirements. Craft the style to match your brand's identity. This involves selecting colors, fonts, adding banners, images, and adjusting the form size. A well-designed form can enhance your brand's appeal and increase sign-up rates. Once your form is visually ready, it's time to configure when and how it will appear to your website visitors. Decide on the trigger that will prompt your form to show up. Options include displaying it after a visitor spends a certain number of seconds on your page, when they exhibit exit intent, begin scrolling, or immediately upon page load. Consider how often you want this form to pop up. It should never become an annoyance. Factor in device targeting. Do you want the form to appear on desktops, mobiles, or both? Lastly, decide if the form should target new or returning visitors, or only those who haven't yet submitted their information. You want this to be an effective and strategic capture, not one that risks alienating potential customers. Finally, let's talk publishing. If you're using pop-up, fly-out, full-page, or banner types, you can publish directly from Klaviyo as soon as you're satisfied with the design and targeting settings. Embedded forms require a different approach. You'll need to embed the form code into your Shopify store. To do this, copy the provided Klaviyo embed code. Head over to your Shopify admin, click through to Online Store, then Themes, and Customize. Select the page or template where you'd like your form to appear. Add a section like Apps, and select Klaviyo Embedded Form if your theme allows for it, or you can use custom HTML or liquid blocks to insert the code. After saving your changes, don't forget to test the form. Try viewing it in an incognito window or different device to ensure it displays correctly. This thorough approach ensures that your efforts in collecting visitor information yield fruitful results. With your new sign-up form live, you're taking a significant step in building a more connected and actionable relationship with your site's visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!